Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Radiological features of the disease. So first, in the intravenous pyelography, you can see these conditions and they resemble some of our day-to-day things, so they are named so. So for example, there is rim sign or crescent sign or soap bubble appearance is seen in hydronephrosis. Rim or crescent sign and soap bubble appearance in hydronephrosis. Spider leg appearance is seen in polycystic kidney disease. Then we have flower vase appearance. Flower vase appearance is seen in horseshoe kidney. Golf hole ureter is seen in tuberculosis bladder. Drooping lily sign is seen in ectopic ureter. Cobra head sign or adder head sign or spring onion appearance is seen in ureterocele. So, rim sign or crescent sign or soap bubble appearance in hydronephrosis, spider leg appearance in polycystic kidney disease, flower vase appearance of ureter in horseshoe kidney, golf hole ureter by TB bladder, drooping lily sign by ectopic ureter, cobra head and udder head appearance or spring onion sign is seen in ureterocele. Then if you see some more place names, egg in cup appearance is seen in uh, analgesic nephropathy causing papillary necrosis. Then thimble bladder sign. This thimble bladder is seen in tuberculosis. Tuberculous chronic sinusitis will show thimble bladder. Sorry, thimble bladder is seen in tuberculous chronic sinusitis. Sandy patches are seen in schistosomiasis. Charles Bergman sign is associated with ureteric dilatation distal to the neoplasm. Fish hook appearance is seen in benign prostatic hyperplasia. Bilateral spindle leg appearance, Swiss cheese appearance, and sunburst nephrogram is seen with polycystic kidney disease. So again, again cup appearance is seen in analgesic nephropathy, thimble bladder in tuberculous chronic cystitis, sandy patches in schistosomiasis of bladder, Charles and Bergman sign in ureteric dilatation distal to the neoplasm. Then we have fishhook bladder in benign prostatic hyperplasia, bilateral spider leg appearance or Swiss cheese nephrogram or sunburst nephrogram is seen in polycystic kidney disease.
thank you and thank you for watching.